Hello everyone. So today I'm planning to do a test. Um, I've seen people are using as their flow medium white glue or PVA glue. I got this from Michael's. It's from Craftsmart. So I plan to give it a try in comparison to what I've been using so far, Floetrol, to see if I can get equivalent results as I'm getting from Floetrol, because as you know, Floetrol is getting expensive.
So I'll be using these 8 by 10 canvases today.
I have prepared this flow acrylic white medium in only in water to use as base. And this set I prepared teal, titanium white, and gold in PVA glue. And PVA glue, what I did was 50% PVA glue plus 50% water. That was my medium. And after that I will add I have added 1 part paint and 1 part that PVA glue medium. And this side I will be using my paints that I diluted using Floetrol. So as usual, my mixture for Floetrol is 1 part paint and 2 part Floetrol. So this steel is a sample paint from Home Depot. This is a Behr paint, I guess, interior semi-gloss. I think I have to dilute it furthermore. Last night I made these or diluted these paints. This seems a little bit thicker, so I'll show you the consistency. This side is my Floetrol one. I hope you can see. This is just flowing consistency. And this is gold. All I did was added a little water, and here is the blue mixed mediums, and this is my gold. And because this is 8 by 10, I don't need more than 3.5 ounce of paint for these. So let's just get these out of the way. Then I can add my teal and then my gold. And then I will add teal and then white and then gold. Keep them here. So this is just white flow acrylic white in water, because I just have to use it a little bit, and I don't want to use any medium, neither Floetrol nor PVA, so I added just water. mixed them all last night, and I'm not happy that there are still so many bubbles. I hope they will be fine. I can see more in the blue one. I don't have that many here, I guess, in the Floetrol one. Well, let's see. Okay, let me put this a little bit here so I can bring this in focus. Okay. Okay, I'm not gonna touch it more because then I might lose this center. I wanted to keep it as circle as possible, but I don't know what's going on here. Even though it is not a perfect circle, but I like how the center is still there and still maintained its integrity. I hope you can see it. I think I should just stop it right here, or I'm gonna be very mad with myself later. I like it as is. Okay, what do you think? I'll bring you down to show you how it looks. Let's bring you down. So this is the PVA glue one. I think looks good to me. But the question is, how will they dry? Will the color remain vibrant? So this is the PVA glue, and here is Floetrol one. Somehow, tell me if I'm judging it wrong, but I think somehow the gold maintained its form more, and the waves maintained the forms more than the PVA glue, although both pieces looks gorgeous to me. See, the center is right here, and I try to maintain the center here, but
The weaves are not as tight as the Floetrol one.
still it maintained all the waves and basic form. What do you think? So I did another experiment. This is N of 2, so I will show you the other result as well, but I have the same thing in the first experiment too.
Even in that, Floetrol kept the form better than PVA.
In comparison to very loose waves in PVA glue one. So let me know, what do you think? So these two are the wet result. Let me show you once more. This is our Floetrol, and I hope my camera is picking up all the shimmer. Oh, sorry. Here you go. I hope it is good now. So let me know, what do you think? This is the Floetrol one, and sorry about the glare from my light, but this is the PVA glue one, and I will show you both experiments, N of 2. See you with the dried results. So here's my final dried version, and 4 panels, 2 times experiment. So this one is with the Floetrol. All my paint dissolved in 1:2 Floetrol. This one, and of course this one. And then yeah, my little one got a little overexcited and put some hand there, but that's okay. This was an experiment anyway. So this side, on the right side, I have my paint dissolved in PVA glue. So
Main purpose of this experiment was to see if I will lose vibrancy using glue, because up till now I have only used Floetrol, and I can say with these two experiments I don't see any loss of color vibrancy when I compare with glue and Floetrol. I'm not sure whether my camera is doing justice, but the shimmer of gold is beautiful in glue as well as in Floetrol, and these are just plain dried results, no varnish, nothing. So I can say we can easily use PVA glue, but at the same time, the only difference, minor difference I can say, that glue lightened the color a little bit, a very tiny little bit, in comparison to to Floetrol, but that could be because that was white glue. It may not be clear, so that might be it. Overall, it was a success. So let me know what you think. And if you're still with me, thank you very much for being with me during this journey of mine. And thank you very much for watching.